Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Not till COVID thing settles down, there is no point in planning. We can't, obviously, safety, health safety is more important. We were here to meet on some other issues, but our future plans will depend entirely on COVID.
If COVID become less, then the chances is
Of course, if COVID if life is back to normal and everything is okay and people want to party, of course we will plan then. But of course, even then, the decision will be finally government's, not ours.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sir, any expectation? Any in which time we will going to have an idea in Goa at least?
Unless COVID comes, see, listen, when we had first wave, we thought after first wave everything will be okay. Then second wave, we didn't know. Now we are talking about third wave, so we don't know. So till this thing settles down, we can't play with people's lives. So we can't take any chances. Even last time when we planned 2020, we cancelled it on our own because the COVID situation had become severe. So unless the COVID situation settles down, I don't think we'll be planning anything.